Golden State Warriors ang kampyonato ng NBA Finals. Pinataob nila sa Game 5 ang defending champion na Cleveland Cavaliers. Maki-timeout muna tayo kay Chino Trinidad.
Sinigurado ng Golden State Warriors na hindi na mauulit ang bangungot ng 2016 NBA Finals. Hindi nila pinayagang makabangon pa ang Cleveland Cavaliers mula sa 1-3 deficit at tuluyang dinurog ang ambisyon ni LeBron James na depensahan ang kanilang korona. Dikit ang laban hanggang sa 42nd minute nang biglang tumirada ng 3 ang naghahabol sa kanyang unang NBA crown na si Kevin Durant. Sinundan ito ng mahalagang puntos mula kay Steph Curry.
See, there are ups and downs and runs during the game, but you always could feel like we were so close to just breaking it open, and that last 3 minutes was a blur, just of pure emotion and energy.
Final score, Warriors 129, Cavaliers 120. Hindi nakakagulat na tinanghal Finals Most Valuable Player si Durant, lalo't kamangha-mangha ang kanyang pag-score ng mahigit 30 puntos kada laro nitong finals. May efficiency rating siya na 50% field goal shooting, 47% three-point shooting at 90% mula sa free throw line. Pinatunayan lang ni Durant na tama ang kanyang desisyon na lumipat sa Warriors upang makamit ang kanyang inaasam na NBA championship.
They call us a super team, but there's been a lot of super teams that hasn't worked, and we came together and we continue to just believe in each other, and we sacrificed, and we champs now.
Sa kanyang 41 points, 13 rebounds at 8 assists, muling pinangunahan ni LeBron ang atake ng Cavaliers. Ngayong off-season, kailangan makaisip si LeBron at ang iba pang NBA teams kung paano matatapatan ng Warriors sa susunod na season. Sa panukat ng mga NBA experts, mahirap buwagin ang tinatawag na peak ng 4 na alas ng Golden State na sina Steph Curry, Kevin Durant, Klay Thompson at Draymond Green.
They did a great job, their front office and their players by doing that recruiting, the things that they did in the summertime, and obviously they paid dividends.
Chino Trinidad, Tutok, 24 Oras.